Inyuma ya maandamano jathere jarimu ba junior secondary baria bethiritwe bakiuria thirikari kuthikira kiriro kiao na kubandika na kandarathi ya gutura riu mukaririgiti wa KUPPET Rwang'i rwa Meru muthomi njira ni arombete thirikari kuthikira arimu baba nkuruki naugite ni bari kwibangania kiri uruguri bwa cukuru na kwou bari tayari onde thirikari irigiritwe gutumiria tariki ya gucoka nyuma ya makondoria kurungika mathomo augite ni bakubangania uria arito bagacokia kanya karia bakethirwa barinja.
Nyuma ya arimu ba junior secondary school muthenya wa Igoro kaunti Meru kumba kuwa baruthite maandamano mathiri bena mendekithia kathumba kiri thirikari beumba kuiwe kithina mbere na kubathikiria bakiweta kinya ngwataniro ire ingiche kuthetera arimu ni batirite kuikithina mbere na kubaigika.
We want to ask our unionists, let them speak for the employees, not speaking for the government. The work of speaking for the government is left to Isaac Mwaura. KUPPET and KOTU should not be speaking for Mr. Ruto, should not be speaking for the government, should not be speaking for the State House. Teachers want their union to speak for them. Employees want to see KOTU and Mr. Atuoli speaking for them.
Time is nigh. Time is nigh whereby there is nobody who is supporting us. Not the KUPPET, not the NAT, not any other Kewota, not any other union. We are supporting ourselves. That is why we are saying Mogul for Mogul.
All the unions that are concerned, respect the junior school teachers. It is our plea for you to respect us as we respect you.
Benyawe muthe muthomi njira uri mukaririgiti wa kiama kuthetera arimu ba KUPPET kaunti Meru na umbite kwa kiariria untu bobo na araumbite kwa kiora thirikari utigira ni kuthikira arimu aba no ntuba kuthina mbere no kurukira kwangaika kunene.
Junior school aritani bau bali intern ibatesekete muno, the pay is small, lakini the court has pronounced itself na nya secretary general wetu Misori na ugire TSC nebwete kwithira ibaandikite as soon as yesterday babwirite kwithira baethirwe permanent and pensionable igita muno nontu kile ba laws ethira mwalimu ni trained ora koti iraugire utiumba kumwethia intern kwa employer na thirikari atukuboria bathithie ura kumbikika ikenda baka meant permanent and pensionable. Lakini kinya KUPPET barari na retreat in Naivasha no igirwe KUPPET negotiate around 10,000 of them to be made permanent and pensionable. Lakini no ntunte kwenda kwaria nteto chieye nyomwera muno atuge itukuria thirikari na TSC ione ana bau thinera bopitia mushara ni kidogo na the only best thing which can be done is to make them permanent and pensionable.
Kiri mantu megenia na guchinchwo wa tariki cia kurugoro wa cukuru muthomi njira riuga bari tarimu ba KUPPET bari tayari bonenerera biringi karingwa ya kurugoro wa cukuru bagatigira ibakuthi cukuru na bathina mbere na kuthomithia ana mono kirikanya kau karombire kuga gitego bombe kwigua bagigakaba.
Issue ya Ministry of Education ko postpone cukuru no nto bwambulera yongerete batwe twe KUPPET tugwitekania na ante tweu no nto gataya kura kwingi ruji rutonyete cukuru ndagacha ni twiki jabara baibande cukuru kuomba kura rukire mwana gwatwika atiomba kwana wisasawa kwa utule alimu batu twe prepared ana beya tukabathomithia lakini safety ya muchiari start ya mwana na muchiari na mwalimu neo ebwirite kwambia mbere mantu yo jangi jonde inde nkoli nyachiari nyatwinde muchiari tukara bisi itweke bwega no ntinkomenya soon cukuru ikarugurwa na to Minister of Education ugire kanya kauga ga compensate na jarimu twirinde kuthithia mantu chau.
Kiri reporter Ndeto Cheweru TV mbita wa John Mviga.